Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to open device's clock. Now select Alarm section at the bottom left corner of it and tap on this plus icon next to 3 dots. Then set up an hour and pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. Now name your alarm however you wish to, and tap on all of those switchers next to all of those features to switch them off or on. Then click on Vibration. Select one of those vibration patterns if you wish to, go back and choose Snooze. Now you can select how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Then go back and click on Alarm Sound. Now you can select one of those sources, adjust the volume of your alarm by swiping left or right, or disable it completely by tapping on this switcher. I will go with ringtone section though. Over here, click on Allow in the pop-up and tap on one of those songs in order to set up the best one for you. You can also click on those two switchers next to those features to switch them on. Then click on this plus icon at the top right corner if you wish to add some songs from your smartphone. In order to do it, click on the best one, tap on Done at the top right corner, and make sure that it's here. Then select the back button twice. Now to save your alarm, just hit save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, mine is over here. You can switch it off completely by tapping on this switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. In order to delete it, you need to hold it, select delete icon over here and wait again. Now to adjust even more alarm settings, click on those 3 dots next to plus icon, choose settings and manage all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!